Hey there. Today, we're going to look at how to sell items on Roblox. So let's get started. First, open Roblox on your device and make sure you're signed into your account. To sell an item you own, go to your inventory. Here, you'll see items listed that can be sold. Some items cannot be sold. For example, I have a cap that is not sellable. But if you have an eligible item, tap the 3 dots next to it. In the drop-down menu, select the Sell Item option. Since my item cannot be sold, that option is not visible. Now, to sell an item you created, tap on the Create option at the top. This will take you to the Roblox Creator Hub. From there, select Manage My Experiences. Choose the item or experience where you want to sell your content. To sell a shirt, pants, or accessory, ensure you've uploaded it under the Avatar Items section. Tap your uploaded item, scroll down, and toggle Item for Sale. Set the price in Robux and press Save Changes. Your item will now appear in the Roblox catalog. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.